What's up guys, Hopper here, and I got another video for you. So I just got my hands on this snake plant and need some TLC. So we're doing plant rescue today. And as you can see, it's probably out of the frame. Big, beautiful snake plant right here. But as you can see, some of the leaves are drooped over. We've got some dead ones in there. And so overall, not in that bad of shape. Just a reminder, don't give up on your plants. If they're not doing well, it's a great time to find it a new home. So repot it, inspect those roots, trim off some of those roots, and really assess what the issue is. Through repotting is when you can really tell if you've been overwatering your plant or you've been underwatering your plant and things like that. So we're going to get right to it. I'm not going to do too much talking today, and I'm going to take her out to the garage for the repot. So I'll be back in a second. This will be a shorter video. But I had this one in a plastic pot inside of this one. So we're going to repot directly inside of this one. It's got the holes in the bottom for good drainage. So we're just going to cut out that middle man. All right, so inspecting the roots, and I'm just thinking underwatering, really dry, really brittle roots here. The owner has asked me to keep the plant together as opposed to breaking it up. So we're gonna get right into it. All right, so we got this beautiful snake plant back into its pot, in some fresh soil, was able to inspect the roots, trim the roots, and everything like that. So I think she's gonna be good to go. I'm gonna hit her with some water here in a moment and then set her up in her new home for a week or so before getting her back to her owner. Welcome to the new viewers, new subscribers. Thank you all for joining, man. If y'all find any of this information useful, or enjoyable, please be sure to share it with some of your other plant friends and the other plant lovers out there. That's all I've got, y'all. Until next time, peace.